I get home and this is what I got waiting for me. I buy my daughter this sewing machine so she can sew. But like what she does now, she sets it up and gives me clothes that she wants fixed. That sucks.
Costumes, not clothes, buddy.
This machine's like a toy.
Hey, little son.
What?
I believe you heard me call you.
Yeah.
Oh, you see me in video right now?
Yeah.
And you just have me call you a little show in the background.
Well, that was before.
Okay, anyways. We're leaving at 7. If you're taking, are you on taking? Can we sell you a Dutch Bros? It's on the way.
You're on film.
Okay.
I don't want to edit this all out.
I have
Kwa, stop talking, please.
I'm sorry.
At all. Stop talking.
This is my home.
We're making a video, and right now you're just like trying to irritate the situation. Can you stop talking, please? How do you just make? Oh, sorry. You want the band tighter at the bottom?
No.
Huh? Or that's already the
That's
right
fine.
size? Okay. I'll edit it down. Fucking the dog, man. The dog is killing me. What the fuck, man? You can't do anything.
I know. And I'm here all day with that.
I can't.
And he never
think.
stops.
No, it's pointless to stay here and try to get work done. You can't think. You sure can't record videos with that nonsense. How are you supposed to do that exactly? Or you're not supposed to do that. Do we own scissors? Can I have a pair of scissors? All right, ready? Turn.